What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of linking your Wix website to a GoDaddy domain. This is a common task for website owners who want to use a custom domain with their Wix website. Alright? But before we jump right into it, if you are new here or haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button below. And do not forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And to our returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You are the heart and soul of our channel, and we are grateful for your continued support. But before we go to linking your website to a GoDaddy domain, let me just share to you that basically you have to create your GoDaddy account and your Wix account. So go to the web browser of your choice. All right. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but GoDaddy as well as Wix.com is compatible to any type of browsers, be it Brave, Safari, Edge, and Firefox. So once you've created both accounts, simply log in using your credentials. And once you hover down to let's go to GoDaddy first, okay? So when you are on GoDaddy, all you gotta do is go to your domain, okay? Basically here, all you gotta do when you are on the to your domain here, you should be, if you have already a domain here, okay? You can see that your domain here, you can actually go and connect it to your Wix website, okay? Then when you hover down to your Wix website, you will be asked to complete the steps that you have already done to your GoDaddy. Because linking your website to a GoDaddy domain offers a lot of advantages which can enhance your online presence and provide a better experience for your audience. Let's say, for example, a custom domain such as www.yourdomain.com adds a personal touch to your website, making it more credible and trustworthy. So custom domains are easier for visitors to remember, which can lead to increased direct traffic and brand recognition. Because custom domains can positively impact your search engine rankings, such as search engine tends to favor website with their own domains over subdomains or free domain names. If you get my point, custom domains work well on mobile devices, contributing to a positive user experience on smartphones and tablets. GoDaddy provides customer support for domain related issues and making it easier to resolve any problems that may arise. And linking your Wix website to a GoDaddy domain offers numerous benefits that contribute to a more professional, credible, and user friendly online presence. It's an essential step for individuals and businesses looking to establish a strong online identity and enhance their brand. Also, with GoDaddy here, you have access to a user-friendly domain management interface to make changes to your domain settings such as DNS record and more. And you can also have full ownership of your custom domain, ensuring that you can maintain control over it as long as you continue to renew it annually or monthly, okay? And matter of fact, GoDaddy has a reputable domain register, offers domain security features that protects your domain from unauthorized transfers or domain hijacking. So it's a very good tool to link this to. And also, custom domains are right now typically shorter and more user friendly. So it will reduce the risk of typos and increasing the likelihood of direct navigation to your website. So how cool is that, right? So once again, you hover to your GoDaddy, open the DNS setting and have propagated, and the GoDaddy domain will be successfully linked to your website. But keep in mind that DNS changes may take some time to propagate across the internet, so it can take anywhere from from a few minutes to 48 hours. So it really depends. You just have to make patience. But yeah, I believe that's a wrap for today's video. If you find this one very helpful, please do not forget to hit that big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. I read all of them. And I'd like to take this moment to express my gratitude to our subscribers who relentlessly share our links to their friends, family using social media platforms. You are the reason why our community grows bigger, and it helps the channel to reach more people that wanted to seek help for anything across software application tutorials. And thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.